At the NYP Centre for Connected Care, we facilitate and drive interdisciplinary and industry collaboration to support Singapore's ageing population and the growing number of people living with dementia. For persons living with dementia, contrasting colours in the home help with depth perception and orientation, while clear labels or signs are helpful to encourage independence in activities of daily living. At NYP, the future of eldercare isn't a distant vision. It's happening now. Through collaboration, innovation, and compassion, we're rewriting what's possible.
The NYP Microsoft Center for Applied AI, or C4AI, is your one-stop hub for AI adoption. Partnerships are vital. At NYP, we work closely with government, IHLs, industry leaders, and SMEs to drive innovation that is relevant, scalable, and impactful. For industry partners, C4AI offers 4 key benefits: access to deep AI expertise, funding support, cutting-edge infrastructure, and a pipeline of skilled talent. Our bigger vision: just as electricity once powered industries, AI will power the future. C4AI aims to be the design house creating intelligent appliances business need to innovate and grow.
At NYP 360, we help companies take food and beverages ideas from lab to market, end-to-end, multidiscipline, implementation lead. We support productions from to fork, safety, sustainability, and the use of automations and technology, so partners can optimize processes and accelerate growth in food products development. Visit us to experience NYP 360 in action, from prototype to pilot, to products, advance healthier, more sustainable food for Singapore.
The Centre for Aquaculture, Diagnostics and Vaccines, or CADV, is an ESG-approved centre of innovation, providing solutions to improve the health and nutrition of cultured aquatic animals like fish, shrimp and crabs. One of the activities of the centre is the development of autogenous fish vaccines. Here, we customize fish vaccines for local farms to prevent fishes from catching diseases which may cause mass mortality. In addition to disease diagnosis and fish vaccine development, we also work on crab grading and fattening using our micro-nears technology. At CADV, we built a resilient aquaculture ecosystem, together with industry for the future.